Here's how to add a bank rule in QuickBooks Online. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, go to Transactions, then select Bank Transactions. This opens the area where connected bank and credit card activity appears for review. If you have more than one account connected, choose the bank or credit card account where the transaction appears before moving on. Make sure you are in the correct account since rules apply based on the transaction you select. Find the transaction you want to use for the rule, then select Create a Rule. QuickBooks will open the rule setup screen and carry over details from that transaction so you can build the rule around a recurring match. Enter a name for the rule. Use a label that makes the rule easy to recognize later, such as Adobe. Next, choose whether the rule applies to money in or money out. This should match the direction of the transaction you are using. For a purchase or subscription charge, select Money Out. In the Rule Conditions section, choose Bank Text. Then enter the transaction text that QuickBooks should look for when identifying future transactions. For example, if the bank description includes Adobe, enter Adobe so QuickBooks can use that text as the match condition. Under Transaction Details, set the transaction type to Expense. This tells QuickBooks how to record matching activity when the rule is applied. After that, choose the expense category that fits the transaction. If the charge is for a software subscription, select a category such as Software and Subscriptions. Move to the Payee field and select the vendor for the transaction. If the vendor is not already listed, add it here and use a general vendor name such as Adobe. This keeps future matched transactions assigned to the same payee. Now choose how QuickBooks should handle transactions that meet the rule. You can allow QuickBooks to automatically confirm transactions that match, or you can leave them for review so you confirm them manually. Select the option that fits how closely you want to monitor matched transactions. Then click Save to create the bank rule. If you need to change the rule later, go back to Transactions and then Bank Transactions and select Rules. This opens the full list of rules in your company file. Find the rule you want to update, then select Edit. You can adjust the name, the money direction, the bank text condition, the transaction details, the category, the payee, or the confirmation setting. When you are finished, click Save again to keep the updated version of the rule. Thanks for watching. Your QuickBooks Online bank rule is now created and ready to apply to matching transactions.